Hi everyone, Samir here with Canyons Promise. I'm creating this quick tutorial video to show you how to access our Canyons Promise Canvas course shell. This is the primary course shell that you'll be using to engage with our Canyons Promise team. So let's get right into it. Right here on the main COC homepage, you'll click on Canvas right there on the top left. It will then prompt you to put in your credentials. Mine is already logged in. You'll select Canyons Promise Year 1, and you'll see that right there on the dashboard. Here it is. And then from there, you'll be able to see all of the resources and information related to Canyons Promise right there conveniently for you. At the top, you'll always see most recent announcements from our Canyons Promise team. Make sure to check those regularly. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the icon that says access to Promise Counseling Services. This is the primary button that you will use to access drop-in counseling, which is quick interactions with our counselors to answer any quick questions that you have relating to developing a one semester education plan or any quick questions that you have. And also on how to schedule a full 1 hour appointment. And so you'll click that and you'll see all information on availability and how to do so conveniently there. In addition, we have a wide variety of resources and information, so be sure to check it out. Everything from student success workshops, how to contact our team, our office hours, and many other resources such as our Canyons Promise contract, just in case you forgot about eligibility requirements and what the requirements are for our program. That is pretty much the conclusion of this video. We hope it was helpful and take care. Bye-bye.